Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a pin or changing the pin on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the home button on your remote and then use the arrow buttons to navigate to the left until you get to settings, and tap OK to open them. In settings, tap General. Then scroll down General and select System Manager. Tap on Change Pin. If you are setting a pin and haven't changed the pin before, the default pin will be 0000. But if you are changing your pin, then enter your current pin here. Now enter your desired pin, and then enter it again to confirm it. Your pin has now been set or changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.